Welcome everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed our yoga practice. Now let's get into our 5-minute morning meditation together. So Wednesday morning, our affirmation that we're working with is, I am at peace with the flow of life. So let's begin. Sit up tall. Roll your shoulders down and away from your ears. And just notice if your weight is forward or back. Try to really align your spine. This height and this space that you're creating is what really facilitates this proper flow of energy. And you can feel it with the way that you breathe. So when you inhale, you want to feel that breath travel all the way down as the exhale travels all the way back up. Setting the tone for your day, internally repeat our affirmation. I am at peace with the flow of life. I am at peace with the flow of life. Whatever that might mean to you. Being curious about how this affirmation might be true for you already, in what ways it might apply. So if your mind wanders, just repeat the affirmation again as an anchoring point. And you will hear the sound of a bell when it's time to come out. Relax your facial muscles. Maintain ease in your body. I am at peace with the flow of life. Bring your awareness back to this present moment. And let's join our hands together at heart center. Release this affirmation. And together, let's chant Om. Inhale to chant. Big breath in. Om. Thank you so very much for doing this meditation with me. I hope you enjoyed it and that you feel ready for your day ahead. Hopefully, I will see you again tomorrow morning for our Thursday morning yoga practice, as well as our Thursday morning meditation. Thank you again.